Cascadeur is a powerful 3D animation software designed to make character animation easier and more realistic. It uses smart AI tools to help animators create natural movements without complex setups. Features like auto-posing, in-betweening, and physics assistant allow you to quickly generate smooth animations and realistic motion. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, Cascadeur helps you animate faster and better with less effort. Let's make this jumping animation in Cascadeur using the in-between AI feature. I made this simple fence in Blender. Now I need to export it as an FBX file. To do that, select the fence, then go to File Export FBX. Choose a location and click Export FBX. Done. Now open Cascadeur. Select UE5 Mani. Now go to File Import and choose FBX. Click the Import button. Select your exported FBX file and open it. Done. You can see there is a root point in the middle of the character. Double-click on it and move the character backward. Now go to frame 80 and press F to add a keyframe. Select the character again and move it forward to the position where the character should land and stop after the jump. Now go to frame 30 and press F to add a keyframe to the animation. Move the character to the top of the fence to create the jump pose. Double-click on the leg bone and move it backward. Press E to rotate the leg. Select the left leg and press W to move it forward. Adjust the body to create a proper jump pose. Move the left hand and right hand as well. Finally, adjust the head to make the jump pose look more natural. Go to the timeline and select the keyframes we added. Click the small arrow, then click the in-between button. After a short time, the animation will be generated smoothly between the keyframes. You can see the character is jumping perfectly. Now we need to add more physics. Go to AutoPhysics and click on it. You will see the green character animating more naturally compared to the gray character. Now we need to copy the AutoPhysics animation to our character. Now we need to apply the physics to our character. To do that, click Freeze Physics. Then click Snap to Physics. Click on Yes button. Now play the animation. You can see the character is moving more naturally, like a real person. After that, turn off the physics assistant. Done. Now your animation is ready.